Hey everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to remove negative effect from video with After Effects. Let's get started. So I have one video with negative effect. Let's select this video and move to new composition. Like this. Okay, let's go to effects presets, search effect curves. And select this curves effect. Let's use for this video footage. Then select this, move to down, and select this, move to up. Nice, our negative effect is removed. Let's see. Nice. Cool. So thank you for watching my mini tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.